Good day. I'm continuing with exponential expressions, and I want you to try these three sums on your own before I start with the explanation. Please pause the video now, write down the three sums, and do them on your own. And then you can press play again and see whether or not you are able to do these sums. So pause now. Welcome back. I hope you had success in doing these ones correctly. So if I start off with this, I'm going to say 5 remains as it is. I'm just going to indicate the 1 there so that I do not forget the 1. And then I'm going to change 45 and I'm going to say 45 equals shift fact. And if I'm correct, it gives you 5 to the power of 1 times 3 squared y. Then 9 is 3 to the power 2 y, and 5 is already a prime number, so we're going to leave it there. Now I'm going to put all the 5s together. Or first I'm going to take the powers in. So I have 5 to the power of 1 times 5 to the power of 1y, or just y, times 3 to the power of 2y, divided by 3 to the power of 2y, times 5 to the power of y plus 2. Now, if it helps, you can already go and cancel those 2, because it's 3 to the power 2y on top, 3 to the power 2y underneath. 2y minus 2y is 0, so that gives you 1. So we are going to continue, and we are going to say, okay, this gives me 5, 1 plus y minus y minus 2. Because when I subtract, the signs underneath change, because I say minus in brackets y plus 2, and then the minus goes in. This gives me 1 minus 2, so I get 5 to the power of minus 1, which is equal to 1 over 5. And that is the solution to the first one. I hope that is what you got. If I look at the second one, I'm going to start off straight, and I'm going to say 18 is actually 2 times 3 squared. 8 is 2 to the power of 3. 9 is 3 squared. 4 is 2 to the power of 2. Now the one on the outside I'm going to take in, and I'm going to multiply it with those that are already there. So it becomes 2 to the power x times 3 to the power of 2x times 2 to the power 3x minus 3, divided by 3 to the power of 2x plus 2 times 2 to the power of 4x minus 2. And now I'm going to put together the 2's and the 3's. For 2, I have x plus 3x minus 3 at top, then minus 2x minus 2 underneath. And then for the 3, I have 2x on top, and then minus 2x minus 2 underneath. And this gives me x plus 2x is 4x minus 2x is 2x minus 5, and 3 to the power of minus 2. So that minus 2 indicates it's not where it wants to be. So 2x minus 5 remains at the top, but the 3 squared goes underneath. And that is actually 2x minus 5 over 9. Okay, let's look at the third one. Okay, just want to make sure I get it correctly. Number 3. It is 3 to the power x plus 3 times 18. Now 18 is 2 times 3 squared to the power of x divided by 6, which is 2 times 3 to the power of x plus 1. And 9 is 3 squared to the power of x plus 1. Now, if I continue with that, I have to take the exponents on the outside to the inside. So I have 3 to the power of x plus 3 times 2 to the power x times 3 to the power of 2x over 2 to the power x plus 1 times 3 to the power x plus 1 times 3 to the power of 2x plus 2. Now I put the 2's together and I put the 3's together. So for the 2's, I have x on top, and then I'm going to subtract x plus 1, which would give me minus x minus 1. And for the 3's, I have x plus 3 on top, plus 2x. Then I'm going to subtract minus x minus 1, minus 2x minus 2. Now, for the 2, I have 2 to the power minus 1 left. For the 3, it is x plus 2x, which is 3x, minus x, which is 2x, minus 2x, which is 0. So all the x's cancels out. 3 minus 1, which is 2, minus 2 gives me 3 to the power of 0. That means I have 1 over 2 as my final answer, because the 2 is a negative power and anything to the power of 1 is 1. I hope this was what you got and that you can see how it is done. The next video would be on the addition and subtraction.